Welcome guys. This is Vivo Y03 model. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray. Remove all the screws. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Remove protection cover. Disconnect battery connector and remove battery. Take new battery. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Install main board protection cover. Put back screw. Install inner body. Put back all the screws. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Apply gum around the back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.